Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today we're going to be doing a little comparison between the Spigen Ultra Hybrid and the Spigen Liquid Crystal case. Okay, so on my right here we have the Liquid Crystal, and on the left is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. So this is the crystal clear Spigen Ultra Hybrid, and this is called the Liquid Crystal case. Okay, both of them are clear cases from Spigen, and I just wanted to do a quick comparison to help you out if you see these cases and you're pretty much curious what's the difference. They look so similar, you can't tell any difference, but I'm gonna show you the differences in this video. Okay, hopefully this helps you out in your purchase and you make the right decision based on your needs. Okay, so here I'm gonna have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Both these cases are for the 13 Pro Max, but they do offer these cases for the 13 mini, the regular iPhone 13, 13 Pro, as well as this 13 Pro Max here. Okay, so let's jump into it. So looking at these two cases, they look identical pretty much. All right, but with this one, with the liquid crystal case, which is in my right here, you can hear this. Hear that? It has some texture on the inside of the case here, and you can see it. I'm not sure if you could see. Yeah, you could see it if I pull it really close, like some grained texture on the inside, which on the Ultra Hybrid, it's really just smooth. You don't have any of that. Okay, and one of the main difference between these cases is, I would say, protection. When it comes to protection, the Ultra Hybrid is clear ahead. All right, because with the liquid crystal case here, look at this. See how it's twisted? I can bend it, twist it, really soft and flexible. Doesn't offer much protection, but with the Ultra Hybrid, as you can see, way more resistance to it. You can't twist it as much. All right, it's kind of a hard feel on the side, in which the liquid crystal here, you can just push it like this. With this Ultra Hybrid, see, it's really solid. And also the buttons here, they look similar and everything, and both these cases have anti-yellowing coating on them, so they won't turn yellow like some of the other cases. Well, at least not as fast, but I'm pretty sure I had one that says anti-yellowing, and it did turn yellow after a few months of use. Okay, so the cutouts are the same, everything else is the same as I mentioned before. So that's the key difference. And the camera bump here, same look, everything. All right, but as I mentioned before, if you're looking at these cases and you want to get the best protection for your phone, Ultra Hybrid is the way to go. If you want to have style, slim and lightweight, then you could go with the liquid crystal case, but as far as protection, Ultra Hybrid is the way to go. All right, so if you look at them here, you can see the Ultra Hybrid also is a little bit clearer, since it doesn't have any textures inside there. All right, so that's another thing to consider. It's definitely clearer, as you can see. All right, a little bit heavier, but you can tell that it's not much heavier, but it's pretty impressive to have this much protection compared to this, and it's this much lighter. All right, so hopefully that helps you out if you're looking into these cases and not sure which one to get. And the links will be down in the description to make your purchases if you're interested again. All right, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out, and please consider subscribing if you got this far. All right, thank you for watching again. Peace.